Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I am sharing a spring home tour. For the last month I have been sharing some early spring decorating, and then of course I finished off by completely decorating my entire apartment for the spring season. And if you are new, then let me give you a quick little background story. So me and my husband, our 4 children, live in this beautiful apartment. It is a little bit over 1,000 square foot, so as you can tell, it's quite small for a family of 6, but we do make it work. My style is very earthy, it's very simple and neutral. So I will be sharing a walkthrough of my entire apartment today, just to give you some ideas and inspiration on how you can decorate your home for the spring season. And even if you have a small home, it is possible to create a beautiful yet simple space. So if you are ready, then let's go ahead and get started. I am starting off here in my entryway. This is the first thing that you see when you walk into my home, and I wanted to reflect my style. This entryway is small and I'm keeping things really simple. I did make it bigger by adding this ginormous mirror, and this shoe storage cabinet serves as a shoe organizer as well as a console table, which I've always wanted to have in my entryway. So hopefully you get an idea of what the rest of my house will look like just by looking at my entryway. You can see my living room right from my entryway, and I wanted the color palette and the whole style to be very seamless and flow throughout my home. So I have lots of neutrals, lots of warm tone colors. Again, I am using large mirrors to balance light in my room and create a bigger area, since this is a small little apartment. But this has got to be one of my most favorite rooms in my house. It just turned out so bright and airy for the spring season. I have a very open floor concept, so my kitchen and my living room are one big room, and it is important to keep the flow flowing seamlessly. And my kitchen is really simple. I don't have too much on my counters, just keeping things really clean. That way I could really utilize the countertops for when I'm cooking, but this really is such a cozy space for the spring. Straight along, I am here in my bedroom, and even though this is a bright and airy bedroom, I did add pops of dark brown on my wall art as well as my pillows and even some books on my dresser, just to bring in that contrast. And again, it's not black, it's just a perfect dark brown color. Keeps things really soft and moody but light and airy at the same time. Now, keeping up with the dark brown theme, I was able to achieve such a beautiful, luxurious bathroom by adding some dark drapes as a shower curtain, and it's probably the best decision I ever made. It adds a pop of contrast and it just looks so luxurious. One bedroom that I did recently completely make over was my two boys' bedroom, and again, I'm keeping things really simple and neutral, but since this is a boys' room, I did kind of go all out with the dark brown color, which I absolutely love. But most importantly, my boys love this room. It is a lot grown up than the room they used to have before, and they have really been enjoying this room. This is going to wrap up today's video. It was short and sweet, straight to the point. I hope that you enjoyed walking through my apartment with me. I truly do love how this space turned out, but keeping things really simple, clean, and minimal, it just makes it that much more easier to manage, especially if you live in a small space. Sometimes when your space is small and there's a lot of people, it can get a little bit cluttered and overwhelming at times, but by keeping even my home decor to a minimal, I'm just able to have a breath of fresh air, if you will. I did share all the rooms in my apartment today except my girls' room, and that is because there is a makeover coming very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. I will be completely making over their bedroom and making it all perfect for them. But thank you so much for watching and for being here today. I hope I could see you in the next one. Bye.